half. Night Destruction will have a Demolition Derby. We've seen some accidental purpose. This is the Demolition Derby wrecking contest brought to you by Great Cliff. 37 Piedmont Triad area locations, and of course our friends at What Are Non-Conformant who sponsor all of our special events for chain, train, and derbies. We appreciate them.
Yeah.
Jeff Martin, you ready for some more fun, man?
Hey, we're here tonight at the Madhouse. I done had a hat fun at me tonight. I'll tell you what, I'll meet him in a ring. I got a ring, I got a cage, and I'll meet that guy.
Oh, talk of SmackDown here. You guys ready for a little SmackDown out here on the track? You guys ready?
He's got a water.
From Winston-Salem, we got Kevin Rothrock in the number 72 car. Rodney Griffin of Washington. Driven by Bo Hill. That's a lady driver. The 226 is Brandon Hedrick of Montsville. The 130 car, Kyle Meacham of Denton. Number 56 is Juanita Meacham of Denton. Matt Meacham of Denton in the 6 car. The 20 car is Matt Moser of Winston-Salem. Dylan Deeks of Winston-Salem's in the 4. Raleigh Grant of Lexington in the 7. Tony Lassiter of Winston-Salem in the 125. Riddles in the 2.5 out of Winston-Salem. Our friend Ronald Moser out in the 2 car out of Winston-Salem. Jeffrey Moser Jr. King is in the 49. Shannon Arnold, Tobaccoville's in the 18. All right, you guys keep an eye on that scoreboard. You guys ready to help me count it down? All the little guys, you guys. Are y'all ready? Let me hear ya. Ready to count? Watch the scoreboard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over here on the front strip, we got number 125 with a little love tap, Tony Lassiter. You got to hit him harder than that. This 39 knows how to do it. 39 over here, Kevin Rothrock. Put the smackdown on somebody. 6 car over here, number 6 car. 125, setting him up. What you gonna do, 125? Tony Lassiter, Winston-Salem. Over here on the front chute. This 88, trying to get going again. Oh, 39. Just put a whooping on him. Kevin Rothrock with the 39 car. 49. Jeffrey Moser over here on the front stretch is getting put in a sandwich. Is that a Pinto? Is that really a Pinto? That is awesome. What else are you going to do with the Pinto? Man, we have got a bunch of them wadded up over here. Oh, 125. Wow, Tony Lassiter just got the smackdown put on him. All right. Here comes 18. Oh, 18. Shannon Bartle. And the 6 mix it up. That 6 car, Mark Meacham. And the 18 car, Shannon Bartle. Uh-oh. Here comes the 20. Oh, my goodness. My neck hurts now. That 20 car, Matt Moser just got smacked over here on the front stretch. There's still a whole bunch of them. If this is your first Demolition Derby, the object is to be the last car still able to move. The last car still able to move will be flagged the winner. So of course you're trying to protect that front end and knock out as many folks as you can. Man, this poor 6 car, Mark Meacham over here, how is he still moving? How about this little Pinto over here? Isn't he adorable? You gotta root for the Pinto, the 8-ball car, the little Pinto that could. That's pretty cool. That's Keith Loose at the Walnut Cove. out. Kevin Routbrunk, he is done. Kicks the tires. We got 18 over here, Shannon Bartle, and the 6, Mac Meacham, the 125, Tony Lassiter, and here comes the 70. We got the 72, Rodney Griffin. He's still moving. 77 over here. He is still moving as well. Oh, man, it's number 2, Ronald Moser. Just put a lick on somebody over here. That poor number 6 car, Matt Meacham. Al, he's still able to move. They are ganging up on him. He got him in the front. Here comes the 2, Ronald Moser. Oh, a big old sandwich over here. Boom, 49. Jeffrey Moser trying to finish the job. Oh, man, they are ganging up on him over here. The Moser brothers making a sandwich out of Mark Meacham. And Meacham, how about that little 6? He is still going. That is incredible. 125. He's got wheels can't move. He's still able to move up and down the offense as well. A-ball car, PJ Lucas looking really good. That little Pinto all stacked up in the back, but it's still going. 125. Tony Lassiter run in on that car, still looks pretty good. He's still going. 20 over here, a lot of smoke out of Matt Moser's car, and I'm not sure who's able to keep going. Jeffrey Moser, the 49, one of the favorites, is still moving. 2.5 cars, another of the favorite cars. West of Salem still going. Riddle, come on Riddle. Let's go over here, nobody over there. Let's go this way, there you go. He's looking for Jeffrey Moser, the 49. There's 8-ball. PJ Lucas. Looks like about 8 cars, maybe, still able to move. 7, maybe 8 cars still left out of our original 17. So about half the field is still moving. That is Raleigh Grant and that 77 car out of Lexington. The front end on that car was really good. 49 of Jeffrey Moser, the 2.5 car there. That was driven by James Riddle and Winston-Salem, always strong in these derbies.
Come on, PJ!
All right. We got him pinned against the guardrail. That's one way to do it. Setting him up. Looks like we got Business 40 at rush hour over here in turn 1. A whole lot of cars, nobody able to move. 53 of Bo Hill of Walkertown. He's still moving as well. Turn in on that car, looks awfully good. 77, hunting down the 2.5 car over here on the front stretch. James Riddle, Winston-Salem in that one. The 2 car, front end on that car still looks really good as well. That's Ronald Moser. 72, Rodney Griffin of Walkertown, trying to get it refired. That is not a good place to be sitting. 77, no back end on it, but he's still going. Oh, he got him. 2 car, Ronald Moser puts a lick on this 77. 49 of Jeffrey Moser working on to the 53 of Bo Hill. Well, how many we got left? We got 7. We got the 53, the 2. Come on, 2.5. Let's go. Let's go 2.5. He's trying to finish off this 77. 77, are you done? Let's check out the 77. Can he move? 77, are you done, sir? Doesn't look good. 2.5, trying to finish him off. James Riddle showing no mercy on this 77. The 49, Jeffrey Moser still going. The 7 of Raleigh Grant still going. 72 is running, but can you move? 72. And Ronald Moser is done in the 2 car.